NASA discovered a strange object drifting through the interminable scene of space. The dark sky revealed it not as a normal rock, but something entirely shapely in nature. A glowing light shimmered against the stars, moving strangely, unlike anything natural before. The telescope's images showed a comet, but the tail was pointing toward the sun. That bright space detail looked impossible, as stipulated by the laws the scientists had believed. This unusual sign suggested something was not fitting with known patterns in the cosmos. This was only the third visitor ever discovered from outside our solar system's history. But unlike the others, this cosmic intruder carried more strange anomalies in its path. It moved like an ancient traveler who stands out from the crowd. Before astronomers looked at a comet, it sped across the void at 130,000 miles per hour, faster than nearly anything else. The expanding universe seemed to bend as it carved a path through the system. Its route through the neighborhood of Mars, Venus, and Jupiter looked designed with care. The alignment of planets seemed deliberate as opposed to haphazard, shocking many experts. When it neared the sun, the comet would disappear directly behind the burning glare. That unnoticed moment would prevent telescopes from observing exactly when it reached its brightest stage. Coincidence or cosmic signal? Scientists wondered if something more was unfolding here. NASA's story was told by leaked images it had not yet shared with the global public. Inside the agency, whispers grew about strange details that were too shocking to keep secret. The new observatory captured structures and shadows that did not conform to normal physics. One unusual tail went in the wrong direction, pointing back toward the shining sun. The star's radiation ought to propel dust outward, but here it bent the opposite way. Even the streaming dust revealed no traces of gas, unlike other familiar comets. As the heated surface warmed, no emissions rose to explain such behavior in the air. Early measurements suggested the body could have a full size of up to 5.6 kilometers. It was the largest interstellar object ever noticed by humans because of its enormous size. Its sweeping trajectory grazed Mars, Venus, and Jupiter in a single powerful pass. The wild odds of such a path happening by chance were astronomically tiny. When it reached the burning sun, it would disappear behind the light at a crucial time. This disturbing timing unsettled astronomers, who usually keep their cool beneath discoveries. A comet with reverse dust, no gas, and a guided path worried scientists. Such a precise path raised theories of guidance beyond the power of natural forces. If you saw these images before the press, would you think it was a comet? This expanding mystery grows heavier with every new frame and analysis from experts. The long journey of 3I Atlas, like a cosmic thread that winds through the star's needle, entered the tilted plane of planets, descending into ours from above the solar system. In early October's sky, it will pass within 30 million kilometers of red Mars. That strange world might even capture images of it with its robotic surface rovers. It will then sweep past Venus within just 0.7 astronomical units in distance. Such tight closeness in cosmic scales is far beyond the range of coincidence. By 2026, bright Jupiter will be next as the object nears the gas giant's orbit. This strange route mirrors the same kinds of paths NASA engineers once calculated. Voyager once used planet gravity, and this comet seems to follow the same logic. From an engineering perspective, the precision looked intentional, like a planned mission. If someone wished to scatter small devices, this trajectory would be the best choice. The path allowed packages to be left at Mars, Venus, and Jupiter in one sweep. Patterns also matched the odd design well with artificial mission blueprints on Earth. Even the suspicious timing near the sun added to theories of a guided flight. Additionally, military radar networks track objects sweeping across the solar system silently. The U.S. Space Command already has sensors to monitor the smallest fragments in orbit. Yet, despite this object's great mass, speed, and peculiar course, they stayed quiet. Their advanced systems could have revealed exclusive data but remained silent in the air. Some insiders claim agencies are using the event for hidden training simulations. This exercise is a simulation of how they respond to an unknown interstellar threat. The size and speed make it the perfect model for a cosmic emergency drill. This is seen by defense groups as practice for a nightmare they cannot intercept. Even with advanced rockets, humanity could never catch the visitor in time. By the time ship's ... note, the text appears to be cut off at the end. I have punctuated the provided text as accurately as possible, ensuring proper sentence structure, commas, periods, and other necessary punctuation marks while maintaining the original meaning and flow. If you have more text or specific instructions, please provide them and I can continue or adjust accordingly. Launched, the peculiar body would already disappear into the night. That unreachable distance makes careful observation the only tool left for humans. The Rubin were long gone before they were noticed. It had been recorded by mistake by the observatory. Those secret images revealed the oddity against the cosmos, its tail pointing toward the sun, defying known laws. According to computer models, dust tails should always point away due to solar radiation, but the particles here looked as if vented directly from its sun-facing side. Without visible gas, the mystery only deepened into greater confusion for astronomers. In July, the data analysis confirmed once more there were no gas emissions present. The recorded light curve showed it rotated consistently every 16 hours. That smooth spin suggested clues about its hidden internal structure or fractures. The vast community of astronomers quickly formed a global plan for observation. The James Webb Telescope would analyze heat and detect unusual chemical compounds. The orbiting satellite tests would monitor brightness fluctuations over time and days. The Swift Observatory would examine X-ray and ultraviolet radiation from solar wind. Polarimetric studies might indicate the surface was metallic or ice that had frozen. Inside the chemistry of water, secrets could emerge from alien star systems. The deuterium-to-hydrogen ratio would give clues to where it was formed. This great age may stretch back nearly 7 billion years into the past. Prior to our young sun, the object may have wandered through the Milky Way. Trapped in its ancient dust, early particles of the galaxy still remain frozen. Those pristine samples could rewrite how planets form around other suns. Like a chemical fossil, this comet carries the memory of early creation. It would be difficult to measure the water that is trapped there, like drinking from something that is older than Earth. The field of science views it as a priceless treasure chest of discovery. But deeper questions about its strangeness make experts doubt natural origins. This was not the first visitor from outside our solar system. In 2017, the space community was shocked by Oumuamua's thin, cigar-like structure. The one-of-a-kind object accelerated strangely, something no comet could normally do. Harvard's Avi Loeb suggested it might have been artificial in its origins. In 2019, Borisov swept in and suddenly fragmented during perihelion near the Sun. The shocking breakup exposed hidden materials, yet brought more cosmic questions. These strange events echo older mysteries, like the Pioneer anomaly. Each arrival pushed science to question the rules of space once more. The inexplicable acceleration of Oumuamua, Borisov's odd breakup, and now Atlas's path. The repeating pattern shows our models of interstellar space are incomplete. Every puzzling mystery reminds us how many secrets the cosmos still hides. Each rare object bends the borders of what people think might be science. The growing cycle of visitors might only be beginning in human lifetimes. Atlas may be the strange signal of a new era in astronomy ahead. The next moment to watch is October 29, 2025 at perihelion. On that date, the Sun hides Atlas completely from Earth's watchful eyes. Nothing, not even the James Webb Telescope, will see it during that phase. The burning glare blocks every view when the comet is most active. There are rumors among scientists that the timing is too perfect to be accidental. When it reemerges in November, astronomers will hunt for signs of change. It could fragment like Borisov, scattering shards across the heavens. It could suddenly burst with gases, demonstrating that it is a natural comet after all. Or it could continue sailing unaltered, more solid than any comet seen. The James Webb Telescope may later detect exotic compounds within its icy exterior. From Mars's rover or Jupiter's Juno, distant views might capture it. The persistent camera may capture a fleeting glow in the distance. If it is only a comet, then it remains the strangest one ever recorded. However, if there is a deeper truth, then history may be changing in real time. This ancient traveler holds secrets written long before our solar system. Astronomers focus their attention on the sky in search of final answers. The story began with the leaked footage, but the conclusion is still to come. Its unusual tail, immense size, and unlikely path have baffled scientists. For a short window, humans can observe it before it disappears forever. After that moment, the traveler vanishes back into the endless interstellar dark. It is almost 7 billion years old, far outdating Earth. This passing encounter provides an opportunity that will never return again. It is in the vast sky, reminding us the universe still sends rare surprises. Some evoke intense fear, while others shine, but all drive human curiosity. In private, this cosmic messenger asks, are we prepared to hear its truth? Whether it is a comet, artifact, or relic, its message drifts across space. In our grand galaxy, truths like this are rare and must be treasured. The unfinished story will unfold as more discoveries come into focus. This may be our closest look at such a mysterious wanderer from beyond. We must seize it before it falls into the void and gather every piece of data because the mystery, science, and everything else it gifts are treasures for us all. The eternal cosmos reminds us to never stop seeking what lies beyond. Its endless expanse ensures new mysteries will always seek us out. Subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.